Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Samsian. Today we are going to learn how we can make animated image carousel in Figma. Right now we are going to choose frame here. It's better to choose frame for presentation. Open here. I'm going to change the background of this. Now hitting O key to make one ellipse here, making it smaller. Change the fill color to white. Bring the arrow here, plug in, iconify, arrow, this one is important. Oops, it's so big. With the help of a scale key, not with the move key. Bring it front. Changing the fill color to black. Make a group, name it button. Of course, it's button. Left, Control key, duplicate it, Shift key. You're going to see how much they have distance, and this one, if the same, yes. Now I'm going to make rectangle here. It is better to write the first rectangle, the width and height of that, 332 and 552. I'm deleting the fill and making a stroke for it, a little bigger to see it. Maybe we can make it white to see better. Duplicate it, can bring it here, scale it, one more, scale it. It should be in front. This should be back, and we are going to duplicate it here also, this one as well. Choosing all of them, yes. Now I'm going to bring some picture. You can go to unsplash.com, write here some, for example, men models, duplicate it and bring it here. Duplicate it, choose, for example, this one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picture, and we can make 5 models here. Close it. I'm giving a stroke to all of them. Then this one is the same. I'm going to place it here. This one is 308 to 394. I'm changing this to 308, 394. I'm going to place it here. It should come in front. Then this one is 233 to 298, making this here 233 to 98. Now this one should be in front, it should be back, and this one should go to here, 338, 394, 308, 394. This should come in front also. This one is 233, 298. 230. This one, 298. We are placing it here, and this is coming in front. After placing picture, we are going to duplicate the frames 5 times because we have to change the position of any of these frame pictures. We have done this action just for changing the position of each of these pictures. Now I'm going to bring it here and put this in this frame. So it should be the 233. This picture should be 233 by 298, and this one should come here. This picture is 308 by 394, and this is 432 by 555. This should be 432 by 552. It should come front also. This is also front. It should come here. This is 308 by 390. Come here. Placing it here. It should come front again. Yes. This one should come here, that which is 233. We change the rotation. Now it's coming to here. This one should be 432 by 552. This should come here. This should come here. This one is 308 by 300, but it should come front. This one should come here, but the frame should be 308, 394. The procedure should be continue for the rest of these frame. For preventing to be long video, I'm going to speed it a little bit up. I think that you got the concept that what we are going to do here. Just we are going to change the arrangement of these photos accordingly. Now this one is here. This should come here. This one should come here. I'm going to speed up. After finishing and rearranging these photos, now we are going to delete the frame which from the first we have made it. For finding it and in easy way is that just open the frame and disable the photos. It's better to see. As you can see, the photos are here. Photo one by one they are here. But I made it disable. Now I'm making disable them to easily select them and delete them because we don't need them anymore. Just click here and shift click here and hit delete and enable these photos here. We are going to do same procedure for each and every frame here. So I'm going to speed it up and I'm coming back soon. After deleting the unwanted rectangle and frames here, we are going to section prototype. We are going to prototype them to see how they are going to act. I'm zooming a little bit to see better this one, I'm going to connect to this frame. Here as the interaction details coming. On click, navigate to frame 2, which we have seen here. Instant. We are going to smart animate just to ease out, and I'm going to increase it to 500 milliseconds. And this one also the same interaction details. On click, navigate to frame 3, smart animate, ease out 500. This one as well. Here the Figma is going to automatically repeat same interaction details here. We don't need to go through them. And for this also here, I have just to pay attention, which I have to go a little bit, because I shouldn't take these arrows. I have to take this frame here. Same here. And this one should come here in the same properties. This should come to here. This one same. This one here. And this button, I'm going to zoom back a little to make it difficult also to see. Here, this one and this one to this one. Now we connected all of these frames together. Now we are going to see in presentation mode how we could achieve this animated image carousel. Now we are going to test how they are working. At the first, I'm trying to test from the left side. They are working very properly, and from left side also. They are working and arranging very nicely. I wish you learned something from this video and you are going to use this technique in your next project. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new upcoming video, and share this video with your friends. Hope you enjoyed and see you in next time. Bye.